This is the Apple Magic Keyboard. It's wireless and rechargeable. You can use it with Bluetooth with a Mac, iPad, iPhone. We use it on our desktop, and it's a really sleek, small design. It's super skinny. Here's the charging port right here, and it has all the numbers at the top, not the full keyboard with the numbers on the side, so it's really compact. It's easy if you need to take it with you on the go. It has a slight incline on this side right here, but not much. So if you like to have it elevated, you would need something underneath this to give yourself some more room. It's not my preferred keyboard for a desktop, but anything on the go or for your iPad, for a smaller device, it's perfect. We've had this for several years and it still works really well. We've not had any issues with it. Also, the charge holds for a long time. We only have to charge this maybe every couple of months, so that part shouldn't deter you.